Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Meyson. First things first, I want to apologize if you can hear any noise. It is so hot in Lagos right now that I just had to turn the fan on. That's how hot it is. So yeah, I apologize for that in advance. But today we're looking at this package that was sent to me from Per Gear. You guys definitely check them out. I'll put a link to the description below for this thing and their page, so you guys check them out. This is a Godox light. Now I have opened it. Had to be sure what I got, but hey, just want to show you guys how the box is. Okay. Yeah. We're good. So this is a Godox light, and this is the DP series, and it's the professional studio flash. So basically what this means is that it uses the whole AC adapter thing, so you can plug this directly to light. You guys get? Now I have always used or for a while now I've used the Godox, what do you call it, the Godox battery powered series, so they are AD series. So I started with the AD360 Mark II, then I moved up to the AD600BM, then the AD600 Pro, and the AD200. So I have those lights, and as amazing as they are, I always wanted a studio strobe, basically like a studio flash that I could plug directly to light, because sometimes I'm shooting with the AD600 Pro and the battery dies and I had to switch to the AD600. And yeah, you know, I just wanted something that when I'm in the studio I can use continuously, and I don't have to worry about swapping flashes, and I don't have all swapping batteries. I can just continue using it. So this, I was pretty excited when they told me they were going to send me the DP series. So this is the DP600 Mark III. The Mark II, I don't know when that came out, but you guys can check it out. Well, this comes with this reflector, and I like the fact that everybody puts like textures inside this right now, so it's going to give you more light. But in all honesty, I rarely use this, so we're just going to put this down somewhere. Let's just put it down here, and we'll bring the flash out of the bag. Now this just comes wrapped up in a bag like this. that's what you get when you pay for affordable strobes. So this is the AC adapter. I don't know how long this is, but it looks plenty enough, so we're just going to put this down, and this is the flash itself. Now the first thing about this flash is that it is huge. What? It is so big and heavy without a battery. That's the first thing that you notice about this flash. It is really big, it is heavy, but another thing is that this is well built. Like, it is solid. Now I think this is plastic. Yeah, it's definitely plastic, but it is solid. It is well built. As you guys can see, it has a LED screen at the back, so we're going to turn it on right now to check what that is about. I haven't put on this flash since I got it yesterday, and I just wanted to share with you guys, like, anybody that's looking to buy an affordable studio strobe should definitely look at this. This is not going to break the bank. I think it is less than $300, and it is 600 watts. So I'm just going to plug this up right now and we'll see. Also, it comes with, like, you know, hold on, let me just take this off. It uses the very popular Bowens mount. Wow, that's hard. Okay, yeah, that's it. So it uses the really popular Bowens mount, and it comes with this style of strobe. So yeah, I think the only other thing in the box there should be, yeah, that is it. This is the model. You know what, I'm just going to put this down this way so I don't break it. So this should be the modeling lamp. Is it? No, it's not. Oh, it comes with like a universal adapter type thingy. So this is really cool. It is nice that they actually added this to it, or maybe they added it because they were sending it to Nigeria. Who knows? Now there should be one last thing in this box. Where's the modeling lamp? Oh, it was stuck here. So this modeling lamp is how many watts? I don't know. This is definitely not a review. This is just like an unboxing to show you guys everything it comes with. So it comes with this modeling lamp. It is the old style modeling lamps. It is 150 watts. It is not the LED ones that come in the the 80 series that are like really cool. But hey, they're paying way less for this. I don't really like this because it sticks out, but sheesh, for the price. Yeah, so yeah, just going to screw this in. Definitely not a fan of this because look, it just sticks out, and you can literally break it anytime. But I'm definitely not a fan of this. But hopefully it's 150 watts, so hopefully it's really bright and it's really bright and, you know, better than the 80 series. So, you know what, let me just plug this in and I'll be right back. Oh, okay, great. So now we have this plugged in and it is tungsten. I'm not sure that I'm a fan of tungsten light, but it's tungsten. So now let's talk about a few things that I like about this. So first things first, it has, I'll bring the mic close to me. So yeah, let's talk about a few things I like about this. So first things first, it has this whole tungsten. It has this whole LED screen thing. So, oh man, that's so much noise. I hope we can turn that off. Okay, yeah, just turn it off. So it has this thing. Oh yeah, so the higher you go, the brighter the tungsten bulbs get, then the lower you go, the dimmer it gets. So that's pretty cool. So it goes all the way down to 164 and it goes all the way up to 1. Now I know the old one, I think the DP600 Mark II would go all the way down to just 116. So this is way better, but yeah, like I said, it's not like the 80 series that can go down to 256. So just put that at the back of your mind. Now when you're buying this for just the budget and the power and not the features, trust me. So yeah, I really like it, and this works with any Godox trigger. You know what, I'm just going to get my Godox trigger and just test it out. So now I just turned off the modeling flash lamp and I have my trigger here. So this is the X1T and it works with the X1, I think it's the X1 Pro, and I don't know, but it just works with everything. So this is on channel 1, this is channel 1, and this is group A. Let's change that to, oh, see, let's see. It just works. Like, I haven't even said it directly out of the box. It's working. It is so cool. Like, just directly out of the box. I didn't even touch anything. I just brought my trigger out and it just works. This is the amazing thing about Godox lights. It just works seamlessly. So now we're just going to trigger and see if that works. Woo! That was bright. Let's do that again. Okay. Great. Works. So let's go all the way to 1/8 or 1/4. That's right. Okay, great. So this works perfectly, and you can say it to like a slave with what I can say at the back. So S1, S2, you can say it's slave. I'm just going to turn off this. Yes. So you can say it's a slave. And yeah, I just think that I would really love using this flash. Now I'm going to do a full review on it. I'm not going to do like one of those extremely technical reviews, but I think that I'm just going to do a shoot on it. I think this is the fan sink right here. So this is a heat sink, I mean, so it has like the fan in here. And yeah, I feel like the only complaint is that it is big. I love the styling for the, I don't know what they call this, but for this right here, it takes it from the 8600, which is the 8600 Pro, which is really nice. I think the 8600 BM didn't have this particular type, so I really like this one because it's a lot more sturdy and it just works It just works a lot better. So yeah, this is really cool. So yeah, overall I'm really impressed with this light. Then see, it's touching this place, which is the same problem I think the 8600 Pro had. It's touching this, and it's just going to leave a mark there. So yeah, I think first impressions, I'm quite impressed with this light. It is just really it's well built. Like, you can tell it's plastic. I think it's plastic, you know. Bambi, is it plastic? Yeah, but it's just well built. It's just really sturdy and really strong. So yeah, you guys should look forward to the shoot that I am going to be doing with this. I'm going to do a shoot with this in a few days, and I'll post the pictures here and you guys can check it out. Then I'll also tell you what I think, like my final thoughts about this light. But it's a Godox light. It just works like the way it's supposed to work right out the box. You guys saw that. So yeah, anyways, this is like really long and I have to go right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing day. Peace out.